Hello guys, we're going to be doing Math CA Term 3, Week 3. Question 1. Which of the following sums is equal to 7 out of 17? Which of them plus, so we can get 7, 2 plus 1 equals 3, and then you plus it by 4 equals 7. So this one is correct. 6 plus 1 equals 7, so this one's also correct. And then 17. Question 2. Kate ate 3/7 of a pumpkin pie after lunch. She ate another 2/7 of the pie after dinner. What fraction of the pumpkin pie did she eat? So we plus the numerator with the other numerator, which equals 5/7. Just like here. Question 3. Which of the following sums is equal to 7/8? Select the two correct options. Which of the following equals 7/8? 2 plus 1 equals 3, and we plus it by 4 equals 7. So this one is correct. And 3 plus 5 equals 8, so this one is wrong because they want 7. This one, 3 plus 2 equals 7, 3 plus 2 equals 5, plus 1 equals 6. So this one is wrong because we need it to be 7. 4 plus 3 equals 7, so this is correct. 3 plus 3 equals 6 or so. Which of following is 15 and 3/10 as a decimal? It's 10. It's not 100. So there is not gonna be it's not gonna be like this. So it's wrong. They said 15 and dot and then 3/10. 3/10. If it was 100, there would be a 0 here like this one, but there is no. Which of the following is 15 and 3/10 as a mixed number? 15 is the whole, and then 3/10. Question 5. Okay. A. 3. There's 3 holes because each one 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we even know it's 10. So we now know it's 10. So there's 1, 2, and 3. So we know the whole is 3. And then we minus all of those. We plus all of those out over 10. And there's 2 left, so it's of course gonna be 8. And B. We have to write now as a mixed number. 3 is the whole, and then 8/10, because there is 10. 6. Drag and drop the correct symbol to make each of the following statements true. Which of them is bigger? This one, because which one's bigger, 4 or 3? It's 4, so this one's bigger. 4, we compare the whole first. They're both equal. Now we do the numerator. The numerator, this numerator is bigger, so this one is bigger. 4 and 3. This numerator is bigger, so this one's correct. 7 over 8. Is there a hole here? No. And then we also check, so we know it's wrong. And then we also check here, which is also wrong, but still, even if the hole is like the hole matches, but yeah, the numerator does not matter. But if the hole is the same and the numerator is different, then the bigger numerator is bigger because they have the exact same hole. Express it as an improper fraction in its lowest terms. We times the whole with the denominator is 4, and then we plus the numerator, which is, so this now is 5 up because we plussed it. Okay, and now 6 times 5 equals 30. And then now we plus the numerator, which is now 1. C. 2 times 7 equals 14. And then we plus the numerator is 18 over 7. Question 8. We minus the wholes, but also we check there's no working, so no. So we check the whole. We minus them. It's 4. And now we minus the numerator. It's 2 over 7 because they just kept it 7 for us. They told us the denominator. And also here. All we have to do here is just minus the whole. That's all. So it's 3, and then we keep the same numerator. Question 9. The number 46 and 3/10 as a mixed number is 46 is the whole, and 46, and then 3 over 10. Okay, and now it's a mixed number, and now we put the decimal point is 46 over 3, not 3. Question 10. Enter your fraction as a fraction in its lowest terms. What fraction is shaded? 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. Now we know it's 15. It's over 3. We can simplify it by 3. Divide by 3 equals 1 over 5. Question 11. Okay, now here we divide 45 by the denominator, which equals 9. We divide it by, okay, and by 5, and then it's 9, and then here. And then here we have the answer from here, because 45 divided by 5 equals 9. Okay, Margarita's favorite doll is 23.8 inches tall. Which of the following is word form of this height? 23 and 8/10, or 2 and 38/10, or 23 3 and 8 hundredths, 23 and 8 tenths. They tried tricking us to this because they said tens, not tenths. Okay, and two and it's supposed to be 23. So this one we know was wrong. 23 and 800. If it would be hundreds, unless if there was a 0 before the 8. So this one is wrong. This is the correct one. 23 and 8 tenths. Question 13. Which of the following sums is equal to 5 over 8? b plus 3 by 2 equals 5 over 8. 2 plus 1 equals 3 over 8. They asked for 3 over 8. 5 over 8. So we know this one is correct because they never said there are two of them, or yeah, and 5 plus 1 equals 6. We know it's wrong. 3 plus 3 equals 6. So that's wrong. So this is the only correct one. $55 divided by 11 equals 5, and then because now it's not 1, so we have to times it. Because if it was 1, it would just stay the same. We times it by 5, and then so we get the answer equals 30. Because we have to times it, because now it's not 1. If it was 1, we wouldn't have to times it because we would get the exact same answer. Fill in the blanks with the correct numbers. 3 plus 4 equals 7 over 8. Question 16. 11 minus 4 equals 7 over 8. Dana decorated 5 over 8 of the 48 cupcakes she baked. How many cupcakes did she decorate? We times 8 by 6, and then we also times 5 by 6, which equals to 30. Question 18. 3 times 4 over 5. Like here, this question they want it in the lowest terms. Like, they give the fraction in lowest terms, so if like we can simplify it, we do it. But if we cannot simplify it, then we do not simplify it. 3 times 4 equals, first you have to make it to a fake fraction. So it's 5, the denominator is 5, and 3 times 4 equals 12. 7 times 7, first we also have to make it again a fake fraction, which the denominator will be 4, because it will stay the exact same. Plus here, they gave us the denominator, so we put the denominator here. 7 times 3 equals 21. 6 times 3 over 11 equals 18 over 11, because 6 times what equals 18? 6, 12, 18. So we times it by 3. And and then we make it also, it has to be a fixed fraction. Also D, we make a fixed fraction. 7 times something equals 35. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. It's 7. So it's 7. We have to times it by 5 to get it. And because we made a fixed fraction, and the denominator will be 6. And also here, it would not change because choose the diagram that represents the number 2 and 4 tenths. This one, 1, 2, but this one's 3. We need another one. This one is 2. The whole is 2, and there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There's 6, so it's wrong. And this one is 1, so we know what's wrong. This one is 1 whole, 2 wholes, and 1, 2, 3, 4. So this one is correct. Okay, here. Which of the following is like they just wanted they just done it in a different shape, but they wanted the exact same. 1 over 2. This is 1 over 2. This is 1 over 4. This is 3 over 8. So those ones are wrong for it. This one is 1 over 2, so we match it there. Now they need 1 over 4. Is this 1 over 4? Yes, it is, so it's correct. We need 3 over 8. This 1 over 2 wrong. 1 over 4 wrong. 3 over 4 wrong. And 2 and 4 and 6, 8. So, and they colored 3, so it's correct. This one's correct. 1 over 2 already. This one's done. Now we need 3 over 4. This one is 1 over 2, 1 over 4, and 3 over 4. So this one is correct. Question 21. The fraction 1 over 5 and 4 over 5 together make 1 whole. The diagram below shows 1 plus 4 equals 1 whole because they make 5 over 5, so we just make a 1 whole. Fill in the blank with the correct numbers. Here's 2 more fraction sums that make 1 whole. 2 plus what equals 1 whole? 2 plus 7 equals 9 over 9. 5 plus 3 equals 8. So now we know the denominator will be 8. Thank you guys for watching. I hope it will help you in the CA.